Let's see how to use Hostinger domain in Wordpress.com. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger hPanel as well as in our WordPress account. Here on the Hostinger hPanel, here we will see the domain section. This is the domain that I want to connect with Wordpress.com. So I am going to click on Manage from here. Now from the left menu, I will select DNS/name servers. So to connect our domain from Hostinger to WordPress.com, we need to change our Hostinger name servers to WordPress name servers. So we are going to click on Change Name Servers from here. Click on Change Name Servers. So these are the Hostinger name servers. And now we will go to WordPress.com, add the domain, copy the name servers from WordPress.com and paste them here. So to connect a custom domain with WordPress.com, we must have a premium plan. So go to wordpress.com/pricing and here you will see all the plans. After purchasing the premium plan, go to wordpress.com dashboard and now from the top just click on add a domain and select use a domain that I own. Now type your Hostinger domain name and then click on next. After that you will see this screen, connect your domain. Just click on select from here. After that just scroll down and then click on start setup from here. Now we need to copy these name servers from here and paste them into Hostinger. So copy these name servers, go back to Hostinger dashboard and paste them here 1, 2 and 3. After that just click on save and in this way your Hostinger domain will be connected to WordPress.com. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.